Hello friends and family from home. It is official. I work for Disney once again. Well, kind of, sort of, in a way, work for Disney once again. I can't wait to share today's video with you guys. I'm going to give you all the updates on my job information and kind of the differences between working third party for Disney and then working for actual Disney themselves. But before we get started, if you would subscribe and click that bell notification so you're aware of future uploads and live streams, we would greatly appreciate it. It's much as a shocker to you as it is me. I never thought, again, like I would be working, I should say, for kind of like Walt Disney World once again. And I'll actually, in the description box of this video, leave a link to the video that I did that, again, like just saying what it's like working for Disney World. And again, that video will be in the description box of this one right here. Again, just to touch briefly, because I have spoken about this many times before, I worked for Walt Disney World about a year, like after we moved here to Florida. I worked at the Grand Floridian. I started as a house person and then I switched over to the warehouse role at the Grand Floridian. Needless to say, I'm no longer there. I left the Grand Floridian and the Walt Disney World Company in general, and I took a job over at Universal Studios as a lead or a manager in the tool crib over there. The hours were I want to say 11 to 7:30 at night, and I think I've come to the realization I can't let anything kind of interfere with the YouTube channel, because that is it's what I'm passionate about. It's what I love doing. I love creating new content for you guys, being out there at Disney, Universal Studios, and those hours, they weren't working out at all, because it was totally stopping the ability to go out there and do live streams for everybody. Because like I said, I had to leave here at 10 o'clock in the morning to go to work, and I wouldn't get home until 8:30 at night. So I wasn't able to live stream, I wasn't able to put videos out as regular as I would like, because right now we're in a really good place and we're putting up a new video just about every single day. And YouTube has been nothing but just an absolute dream come true. It's what I love doing. I love going to the parks, the Disney character warehouses, Disney Springs, showing you guys everything that's new for your upcoming trips here, on vacation, or if you live here in general, so you guys can see in real time, every single day, if I can get a video up, what's going on in all of these places. And working at Universal Studios, it just wasn't possible for me to get out there and film like I would like, and live stream like I would like. So that's why ultimately Universal Studios just didn't pan out. Those hours just didn't work at all, and it was interfering with YouTube. And again guys, it's been a dream come true. I'll be completely honest with you guys. I never thought our YouTube channel would expand like it has in about roughly 18 months, give or take. I'm always thinking a new video, where could I go, what could I show you guys, what could we go do that's fun, that you guys would like to do when you guys come here. And it just wasn't working with the hours. So needless to say, about 2 months ago, give or take, I landed a new job. I found it on Indeed actually, and it is seriously the best job that I've had since we moved here to Florida. The hours are absolutely incredible. My hours are 4 a.m. to 12 o'clock, which is amazing. So I do that 5 days a week, full time. I'm off Mondays and Tuesdays, which is perfect because they're during the week and the parks are a little less busy, so we can kind of show a lot of things and whatnot. So the hours are perfect. I can get out there and film after work, which I was definitely not able to do at Universal Studios. I can get out there and live stream after work and still have family time with Brandy, the boys, my parents. The hours are just absolutely incredible. So I guess you guys are probably kind of wondering where exactly it is that I got this new job. You guys will be familiar with this place absolutely like I am. So if you guys are familiar with Disney Springs, I now officially work at Gideon's Bakehouse. And again, I'm not like at the Disney Springs location working. So Gideon's actually has 2 locations. I'm not sure if you guys are aware of this. One, of course, being Disney Springs, and that's always the one that like everybody knows. But they have a second location, guys, which is actually over in East End Market in Orlando. That location is like, it's kind of like in a indoor little strip mall with a bunch of little stores. Like there's a coffee shop, there's Gideon's, like there's people that I think like make homemade crafts and stuff, like all different like little booths. Like one day I do want to go there and do a complete video to show you guys. And also like if you guys are interested in like Gideon's, just like cookies, cakes, slices and all of that sort of thing, like definitely check out the East End Market location, because I think that you guys can get in and out of there much quicker than you could over at Disney Springs. So I'll give you guys kind of like a little pro tip right there. But my position at Gideon's, I'm one of the drivers. So we have basically a warehouse, we'll call it, and then they have the 2 locations, East End Market and then over there at Disney Springs. Basically what I do is I take all of the unbaked cookies over to both locations. We make whole cakes, as you guys know, I'm sure. Absolutely like incredible ornate cakes. We take those over to the other locations. Also cake slices and things like supplies that Gideon's will actually need, like say wax paper, cups, lids, like any sort of little thing like that. So that's basically like what I'm doing. I'm delivering those to, again, like both locations over there in Disney Springs. And again, guys, the other one is over in East End Market. So we deliver all of that stuff and I'm out of there by 12 o'clock. It's amazing. But working for Gideon's is like a third party, like for Disney. So you do actually get like some really cool Disney, I'll call them benefits, not like health benefits or anything like that, perks. That's what we get. We get some perks working for Gideon's because we're kind of affiliated with Disney, being a third party. I do kind of want to go over exactly like what those third party benefits are in case you guys are interested in maybe not working for Disney, but working third party like for Disney, if that makes any sense. Of course, working for Disney, one of the things you guys are going to be most excited for is to get your blue card. Basically what your blue card is you get you like free parking, like going to the parks. You just show this, you're going to get free parking. You go to some of the different Disney resorts, again, you kind of show this, scan it, you get free parking, which is just an amazing perk in itself. And also you get like 20% off basically most merchandise, a lot of different restaurants, and a lot of things just in or around Disney, like you'll get like 20% off of. But also like one of the main things that you guys will be excited for working for Disney, obviously, this is the Disney main entrance pass. And working for Disney, you get your gold main entrance pass, and then they'll also give you 3 guest passes. So basically when you get hired on, you'll get your main entrance pass and then 3 of these. Basically, you can go as many times as you want throughout the year with a park reservation with your main entrance pass. And then with your 3 guest pass, you can take your guests 16 times into the parks. So you can go on 16 separate occasions and take up to 3 people in each and every time, which is a really amazing perk working for Disney. And I think like shortly after we got hired at Disney, we got an extra 16 tickets apiece, Brandy and I, which is kind of unheard of. And again, like you can use them willy-nilly throughout the entire year. But that's like kind of like the Disney package. I do want to talk about though, like what you get third party working for Disney. And I obviously, like once again, like I'm at Gideon's, I'll show you the difference between the 2 name cards right here. So if you guys will notice, this was my original one when I worked at the Grand Floridian. And then this one right here is my new one. So if you notice, one is blue and one is green. So basically this is your Disney one. This one here is your third party Disney one. This is nothing to like snuff about. Like this is actually really, really good. So basically with this, we still get free parking. Again, going into the Disney parks, Disney resorts, we still get free parking because it actually says operating participant right here in this lettering right here. So exactly that. We still get free parking going to the parks. I've gotten 20% off like so many different things. Like I've used this a couple times already. Like we still got 20% off at the pizza restaurant in Disney Springs. I've used this in the Magic Kingdom, got merchandise, we got sodas, and again, you still get 20% off, which is amazing. Like really, it's amazing. And I didn't expect that at all. Like I'll be completely honest with you guys, but probably the main attraction, if you will, is you get your self-admission pass back. If you notice, again, it kind of matches the green card that I just showed you guys, and it has the green lettering, versus the other one actually has the gold lettering. So basically, you still have your main entrance pass. You can use this as many times as you want throughout the year. You can go to the park every single day if there's a reservation. You still make your reservation as you did. You can go to the park as many times as you want, which is awesome because it allows me to bring you guys more content, get into the park a little more often, and it's incredible. So we have our main entrance pass back for Disney, which is incredible. Again, working third party, I didn't expect that. It's really just amazing. And I believe you get 2 tickets in the springtime and 2 tickets during the fall time, which Disney will actually give us 4 tickets a year basically. I know it's a lot less obviously than working for Disney, like when you got the main or your guest passes, and then you also got the 16 tickets like throughout the year. However, working third party, you still get your main entrance pass, and you get 4 tickets a year, which are free. Again, like you can use them whenever. You can take anybody in with you. I just love that. Like again, it wasn't expected at all. But like Gideon's has been like the best job I've had. Like I said, by far. The hours are amazing. The people that I work for and with are absolutely incredible. I love what I do. And again, YouTube has been nothing but a dreamboat. It's been my passion. It's what I love to do. And the hours just allow me to create new content on pretty much a daily basis for you guys. And again, like going forward, like I just love what I'm doing. I'm having the time of my life, working a job that I enjoy, doing what I love, creating new content for you guys. So it's been just absolutely incredible. So I kind of just wanted to give you guys like a job update and like what's going on, like working third party for Disney, like what you get, and then working actually for Disney. This way you can kind of see which one is for you. But if you like today's video, give it a big thumbs up, and as always, make today awesome.